You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is confusing, and yes, I hear too many people mispronounce it indeed, so we need to clarify the pronunciation. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. It's pronounced in English as Powell. Yes, it's a surname. It means the son of Howell, from Welsh and British origin. Powell, all right? Do you know the word power? Yeah, it's the same. So it's not Powell, Powell. It's an A sound. Easy once you know Powell, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.